Looking to play just about any video or audio file on your computer? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to download VLC Media Player, the trusted, free, open-source solution from the official source, videoland.org. By the end of this video, you'll know how to safely get VLC up and running, sidestepping any shady download sites or unnecessary confusion. Let's get started so you can start watching your favorite media files right away. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari. It really doesn't matter. In your browser's address bar, type videoland.org. The reason we're heading straight to this website is simple. Videoland.org is the official home of VLC Media Player. There are a lot of websites out there that might offer VLC downloads, but they can sometimes bundle extra software or worse yet, malware. So it's always best to get it directly from the source. Once the page loads, take a look around. You'll notice that the website is pretty minimalist. No distractions, just clear information about VLC and its features. Now, at the very top of the homepage, right in the middle, you'll see a big button labeled Download VLC. It's often an orange color, making it stand out so you don't miss it. This is exactly what you're looking for. The site wants to make downloading VLC as simple as possible. You might be wondering, why do I need to click this particular button? Well, clicking the Download VLC button ensures you get the correct version for your operating system. VLC automatically detects whether you're using Windows, Mac, or Linux and offers a version that's compatible with your computer. So just go ahead and give that button a click. Once you do, your browser should start downloading the VLC installer file. Depending on your internet speed, this could be pretty quick or might take a minute. If you don't see the download pop up right away, check your browser's download folder or notifications. Sometimes the installer quietly saves itself in the background. Just as a tip, don't worry if the download takes a few extra seconds or if you're prompted with a question like, "Are you sure you want to keep this file?" That's just your browser being cautious, since executable files can sometimes contain harmful software. But since we're on the official Videoland.org website, you can confidently continue. There's no risk here. And there you have it. The VLC installer is now on your computer, ready to be installed. From here, you just double-click that downloaded file and follow a few simple prompts to finish setting up VLC. But in terms of downloading from the right place, you've nailed it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about VLC, downloading software, or anything else tech-related, drop a comment below. I love helping out, and your questions might help others too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more clear, useful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.